As I stepped out into the great wilderness out here in Canada today, I noticed this waiting for me outside. This is a package. I believe I know where it's from, but let's just make sure, shall we? Wow, what's this? Welcome to the infection. You are officially part of drop number 1. You didn't just buy it, you started it. Yes, look at this. Wow. Secret. Oh man, and there's a wow, man. There's like somebody really wrote on there. That is brilliant. This is from the SickShop, man. This is from the SickShop. Already, like just upon opening it, this is like over and above what I'd expect from getting anything from anyone. That in itself is cool. Like that has nothing to do with this, but yet it's such a fantastic and really cool, mysterious part of the package. Now this, oh my God. It's Mr. Black. Yeah, check this out, homies. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is like, straight off the press. I've never felt a better produced print on clothing in my life. I'm not kidding, man. Oh my goodness. This is brilliant. I cannot wait to wear this. Look at that. Oh, okay, this is my new favorite thing. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh wow. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that printing. Oh, you can see that from space. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is the like vibrant. Ow. Yeah, man. Oh my goodness. I'm a lucky boy. It's printed everywhere. The sleeves. Look at, the back. You're gonna be seeing me wear these at all the cons that come up this year. Still see the NerdCon to be perfectly honest. First, like both sleeves, the back and the front are printed. Oh, I got my new favorite things. Thank you, SickShop, for the wonderful packaging, the absolutely mind-blowing print quality of these pieces. Like I'm blown away, man. I'm blown away. I'm gonna get addicted to finer things now. This is like so peak, man. I'm just blown away. I'm blown away. This is so nice. What a great and I can't wait to use the QR code to see what's next. That is brilliant. Guys, I just wanted to share that with you. I'm beside myself with excitement, joy, and happiness, and other nice feelings that aren't food related or alcohol related. Wow, thank you, SickShop, for providing me with this wonderful stuff. This makes it so much more of a massive thing for me to be a part of and to be contributing the art to. This is high fashion as far as I'm concerned, man. It's, like I said, it's better than anything I own, man. Thank you for watching and tuning in. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll talk to y'all again soon with more unbagging and boxings. Okay, see you next time. Love and best wishes.
Pop culture had a good run, but the infection spread. Meet Rob Sacchetto, the man infecting pop culture, one zombie at a time. No one's safe.